Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you for your love life. Let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Leos. On your side we have the Empress. Let's see what is there on your person's side. We have the Queen of Wands on your person's side. The most likely outcome is the King of Swords. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, you have the Empress on your side. So definitely wanting a new beginning, ready to have a new beginning with a lot of nudge, affection, care, comfort, abundance, everything positive. So you're ready to begin something new, or at least that is what you want. As far as your person is concerned, with the Queen of Wands, this person is perhaps very good looking, and this person is very confident and maybe a little bit guarded. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the King of Swords. So definitely somebody here maybe thinking analytically or being too logical. We'll have to clarify what that is. Basically, all the three cards, nothing much to talk on the basis of these three cards. So let's clarify the Empress. Why is this Empress here on your side, Leos? So for the Empress, we have the Hermit, the Three of Swords, and the Moon. Okay. So let's clarify the Queen of Wands on your person's side. So with the Queen of Wands, we have the Five of Wands, the Empress, okay, and the Three of Cups, okay. So let's clarify the King of Swords as the most likely outcomes. For that, we have the Queen of, just see the way the cards are repeating themselves. The Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and the Page of Swords. So Leos, what I feel here is, for the Empress, we have the Hermit, the Three of Swords, and the Moon. So definitely something has happened over here in this relationship, and which is the fight or an argument. Something has happened, some sort of a disagreement which has really hurt you a lot. Okay, with the Five of Wands being here. Okay, so something has definitely happened. We have the King of Swords also here. So something perhaps was very rude, not taken in a good manner, or by the other person. So somebody has said something rude, something harsh, something has been said which has really hurt somebody here, and this person is now, they want a new beginning here. We'll see how it comes up, but definitely this person at least was in that mood of providing a new beginning and abundance and all, everything they really wanted to invest over here. But what I feel here is that since something has been said over here, maybe still they want to do that. But with the Moon and Hermit, what I feel is this person is still dealing with, at least you are still dealing with the pain within yourself. You are wanting to come out of it. Perhaps it will take some more time. You are really giving it a deep thought as to what to do, what not to do, because you're really not clear about the situation ahead. There is something here in the situation. Perhaps you really don't know if you move forward or if you move into this relationship, how it will be. It can be that also. Or maybe you don't know what's going on in the other person's mind after this fight, or what do they want. So there is some lack of clarity, maybe in your own mind also. It can be that you really yourself are not able to decide as to what to do. Just go with your intuition, follow your gut. But what I feel here is that there has been something which has really broken your heart, and right now I really don't see you making a move or an action towards this person. What I feel here is you are sitting with it and just thinking of, it's like, why it happened, how it happened, what should I do, what is the way out, how to solve it, whatever you want. So you're just giving it a deep thought. Okay, I really don't see any action on your side. As far as this person is concerned, for the Queen of Wands, we have the Five of Wands, the Empress, and the Three of Cups. So definitely, again, this person also wants a new beginning after this fight and argument, whatever was, which turned volatile. But this person also has reconciliation on their mind. So this person wants a new beginning. They want to reconcile with you. So if that is what is troubling you, that you really don't know what is going on in their mind, will they reconcile or not? So yes, they want to reconcile with you. It's you that you have to take a decision and just follow your intuition. For the King of Swords, we have the Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and the Page of Swords. So what I feel is, whatever the situation is in which both of you are, to me, a little bit perhaps not talking to each other, that's what I feel. There is a cold energy right now. But I think you people will get back together, because the thing is, the passion is overpowering the relationship. There is a lot of passion and a lot of chemistry over here. And because of that, which is a very huge factor in this relationship, that's what I feel, you people will be together again, I should say. You will take a step forward being with each other. Message from this deck, number 15, may be of some significance for you. Practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. So just try doing that. Hope it helps you in the relationship. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.